All right, so next iteration, I wanted to make the collab more interactive. So I wrote, this is a great start, referring to the Python script. I want you to make it interactive and gamified, but still keep it within Google Colab. So this tells the code, hey, keep it within Google Colab. This is what I'm thinking. And then I thought about just a bunch of things that would describe the behavior of what I want the next iteration of this to be. So I was like, audio, for a phrase or word is played, the user will type it in and press enter of what the phrase is. And then the output is what percentage of the string matches. So, if it's 99%, should be good enough. If the match is good enough, then put it in the correct bucket. If the match is not good enough, then put it in the incorrect bucket. So this is kind of like a flashcard technology. A running count of correct, incorrect, not reviewed yet will be shown somewhere. Words in the incorrect button can be shown again. Words in the correct button will not be shown again. Okay, so this kind of forces me to review the words that I did not get right. And so ChatGPT responded with, okay, kind of just high level what this is, and I think it captured it quite nicely. Like, here's a conceptual overview, play audio, user input, evaluation, scoring and feedback, repetition. So it kind of captured a higher level concept of what I was describing in more detail. And then it gave me some code. So it gave me some template code of like, here's where I should put my phrases. Here's all the stuff here. And this is what I ended up with. So I pasted the code in. I pasted on my phrases. And then I click play. Now let's try it out.
No almoço. No almoço.
I don't know what that is. So I'm just going to type a random one. Match 0%. So now I put it into the incorrect bucket. Looks like there's 29 incorrect. So that's kind of weird. That's a bug. But we'll see.
No almoço.
No also. 50%.
Para o aeroporto.
Para aeroporto. 93%. Okay, that's still incorrect.
Quão quente.
Quão quente. I am definitely not good enough to
Ela vai apenas viajar.
Ela vai apenas viajar. Maybe that will be right. 100%. Yay. Okay. Looks like this correct is not updating. So I'm going to actually go back and see if we can give it some feedback. So a couple bugs I noticed. Let's see. This incorrect count I see at the beginning of the script when run, even though I haven't even guessed yet. Incorrect count should start at 0 and then increment if I get answers wrong. Okay. And then I also want to say that I got 100% match, but the correct count didn't increment. The count. The correct count did not go up. So let's see what ChatGPT will do. So it describes high level, like what I got wrong, and it gives you a revised script. So I'm gonna wait for it to like type out all the audio stuff, and I'm gonna paste in a new code. I think I could just paste in the bottom all this code. Yeah, probably is probably better. So yeah, we'll see. All right, let's see if this code works. So I'm gonna paste this in. So everything under the words, I think. Oh no, I think. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna play again. So let's try it out.
Pepino. Pepino.
Pepino. 100% match. 1 correct, 0 incorrect, not reviewed yet. Okay.
Provavelmente vai chover.
Provavelmente
Provavelmente vai chover.
vai chover. 95%. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So I think there's a threshold of 80%. Okay, that's cool. That makes sense.
Hoje vou trabalhar e vou à academia.
Vou a trabalhar e
Hoje vou trabalhar e vou à academia.
vou à academia. 90%. Correct. Okay, cool. And then you can adjust the threshold if you want. But yeah, I'm going to stop there. If you like this series, please subscribe and kind of let me know what you want more of. But this seems cool. I feel like I can use this.